Nchen Korokokero Ndieki, advocate, chairman ya ODM ya Kisii County. Atu abokire nelikulia libe sana. So pole uchiase aba Kenya Mospi, and particularly family ya CDF Francis Ogola na bali vamos para ngena barabu asoko nyarongo kutoka Lugende iya baite tiga wa Kenya bon gotore state of mourning. We are in a bad situation where we are mourning. So as a result of that, we have been asked by our governor to overcome maombezi asa magana litwari ko wate ye amandamano egera to join to benna ba Kenya bandu bose asokorera the CDF Francis Ogola abo swami to monspi atoko batay pole asa magana yabet and na utuwe to bororogwe ningenje ngende kiabete aso mugaba na ito biyamo aso to request to haba to tenani amangana iya maandamano na abantu bamintu kumara jibon terteni maandamano ntoji to batebi na ande kare to wansa tora tuta uyo minto yo sibete na bakenya bara poa ula samana ya lete biyamo
Mbiyamo na inja samari tankoro ku Paul Mumanyi chairman ya ODM kwa machoga chache kuna chairman ya kwande kwa bokile to mumo chano manene asenge njiyo siri oyo mobo kurwe sense yetu ya Kenya okoro kunga General Gora nigo tuta de gotomara mrambi nene tune party ya ODM okia se familia li ya nyoro bokom ni family na bali bonse basirete tu atumira mrambi nene na boy go tu atake ile olio saba betikuwa se ndege lime tuamutagire ko wena kwa bwango na ande tiganya samo konya wene na injira moda de guchiunga na ba minton tebe nga asengencho to sireti state officer na injira boy go na tana na chiungira na ba minton na tabire nga amandamano na chairman yetu ya kone ya Kisii County ya ODM tuwa tenenia maandamano asengencho yesababu hiyo na inde totebe chinga kia maandamano yorabe wetera mo chairman itobwe party ya ODM muna tuwabe geta maandamano yora chikoba chiko constituency kianda na inde na bago chikolime ni goigo ekaraka tora kore ko enye abaminta bagabanya robo kom na inde totebe gabana thank you so much ikiagara na ye vice chair ya ODM national Buyamana sogo to inyoli na gatotebi totenia maandamano ayo egere turachiunga na bakenya bande kore si ki family iri cyane robo kom buyamana baminto ni gotoko sa abantu baitu bagandira ko batoya rukegima paka ka chinga kitora batebi na ande toko chaka maandamano tingo twara mange tigangore rabo. Thank you so much.
Yes, my name is Kerosio Ndieki, advocate. I'm the chairman of ODM Kisii County. We woke up with the sad news of the tragic death of our CDF, Francis Ogola. The whole country has been plunged in mourning. We are in mourning. We therefore, as ODM Kisii branch, send our heartfelt condolences to CDF Francis Ogola's family and friends and the whole of Kenya. We also send our condolences to the families of all those personnel who were accompanying him when they got that accident. We are indeed very sorry, and we join other Kenyans in mourning. As Kisii, because our governor, His Excellency Paul Simbarati, has requested us to put off our demonstrations in honor of the fallen heroes, we hereby ask our members to stop the demonstrations forthwith and wait for us to give them a way forward. This is in harmony with the rest of the country who are mourning. Let us join our countrymen in mourning our heroes, and let us give our heroes a befitting send-off. Thank you.
Kwa majina naitwa Evan Shontegi. Mimi ndio naibu mwenyekiti wa chama cha ODM katika Gatuzi la Kisii. Kwa sababu ya maombolezi ya kifo ya CDF wetu Mr. Gora, ninaomba wafuasi wetu wote wale ambaye walikuwa tayari kufanya maandamano leo katika Kisii County, tusimamishe maandamano ili tuungane na Wakenya wengine wote kwa kuomboleza kifo cha mashujaa ambaye walikufa jana kwa mkasa wa ndege. Tunaungana na gavana wetu kuomboleza na Wakenya wote katika nchi yetu. Asanteni sana, tusidi kuwa pamoja na tutetee haki kama chama chetu cha ODM. Asanteni sana.